Alright, good morning guys, or good afternoon at this point. It's Nick with NK Landscaping. We're on to the second job of today, so we just finished up with that driveway millings install. And now luckily same equipment, so we're on a quick little one. So we're going to be basically tearing out some posts from an old pool and then filling in the area where the pool was. So it should be a very quick job. The soil is already here on site from when they dug the original pool out. So I'll check in with you in a second once we get into the backyard here. Right here we've probably got, I don't know, 40 or 50 yards of topsoil. And what we're gonna do is right over here we've got the hole from the old pool. They got a smaller pool that goes right behind where Fitz is standing, so we're just gonna fill in from the edge of this divot over. We're gonna waste all that soil, but first we got to get these little posts here pulled out of the ground. Should be pretty simple. They're concreted in, but I got the chain in the bucket and we'll hook onto them and try to lift them out. And around that if you can. Oh yeah, coming up nice and easy. Oh, that's a big concrete piece. It's got some like metal on it. Try to get this dirt off of here. Probably drop them over there for now, and then we'll we'll take them all out. Swinging like a battle axe. I think it's gonna come off of there. Oh. Yeah. Try to maybe pull it a little tighter. I know, yeah. That's a good strong foundation for the pool that was there.
Well, they did it like 27 years ago.
Really? Huh. that's it for pulling those out. Now it's time to grade this out. It's gonna be quite the video. Hey there, you're back. Yeah. That should be fine. Okay, you're back from the depths of the dirt. Oh, I guess that was a bad spot to put the GoPro, so it is what it is. You're fine though. All right, we got this all bowled out for the most part, smoothed out. It's got this section, as you can see, seated and strawed, as well as this. I just busted up all these sheet metal pieces and concrete pieces, got those loaded out. So I'm gonna get this thing loaded up in the trailer, do our final rake and seed and straw here. We got a couple rocks to toss over the hill. I didn't use all the dirt, but I graded out what was left. Just left it in a nice pile again. It's tricky to work with this stuff because had so much organic material in there, a lot of Pachysandra roots and everything. So I got to spread out the best I could. As you can see in the video, I packed it in a bunch of times, and we raked out as much of the junk as we could. There's still a couple little things that are going to come out here, but big improvement. Had the client come out and check it. They're happy. So starting to rain, so we're gonna try to get out of here as soon as possible, but I figured I'd check in real quick. But I'll check in when everything's seated and strawed and we'll be out of here. So it's a tight squeeze, but we got everything in there. I'm gonna run back there in a second. I just gotta blow the driveway off, but give you the final shots. This is a quick and easy one. Looks like the rain's holding off for now. It did rain for a minute there, but it's coming. So I'll walk back there with the blower. I'm gonna blow off the driveway real quick and I'll check in with you in just a moment. Almost everything is seated and strawed back here. My goal with this one was to get in and out with minimal disturbance, and I think we did a pretty good job. Can you find my tracks? Just barely. So we got one in, one out. We didn't have to go back and forth. Super dry out. We do need that rain though, but all this is coming together, seeded and strawed, and we are out of here. Thank you again for watching, guys. check back with you on the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe. I read all of them, or try my best to. I don't get that many, but I try to read them all. All right, thanks guys. That's that. Looks good. Work this out all smooth. I don't know, you remember there was a huge divot right here. Probably added almost 3 feet. Nice bolted out. I left this low spot so water can still continue. That's why we filled this. There was some erosion in there. But it looks good. Client's happy. Now back to the yard. Probably gonna unload that stuff either tonight or tomorrow. Gotta get scrapped. But I'll check in with you on the next one, guys. Thank you.